Hey, well, hello everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope and pray that you're living a victorious life in Christ Jesus. And if you're not, what are you waiting for? Hope all is well with everyone. So I am back again because I wanted to show you all how I wash my enameled cast iron cookware. And I guess I'll be doing another video separate from this one on how to season your cookware, or how I season my cookware. And the reason this came about, it came about for two different reasons. One, I purchased some of the women in the younger generation women in my family some cast iron cookware, so I just wanted to show them via video because, you know, some of them are all around the world, so we don't have that opportunity to show them in person. And then number two is because on like on a couple of websites, like if I'm reading reviews on websites regarding you know, when they're talking about cookware, and they might say, oh, but mine rusted, oh, it's so hard to clean, oh, it's this, oh, it's that, you know. But and yes, it did rust, but it rusted because it was not seasoned, and that's not normally the patron's fault, the customer's fault. It's because the manufacturer probably didn't give you the directions. But again, so yeah, so I wanted to show that because they do have, you know, they do, and I hope you can see this. This looks really awful. You see that? I hadn't made popcorn in a while, and I was I wanted a snack, and then I said, oh, I have popcorn. Let me put some popping corn on. Honey, I put the popcorn on and left the room as if I was putting on a steak or a pot roast or something. I don't know what I was thinking about, that I left, and everything, it burned up. I mean, I had some to salvage, but it burned up. So anyway, this is when you cooking, period, in cast iron and different things. This is the residue that you'll get in whatever. But let me show you. So I got the kernels and everything in there. So I wish this was, I should get a light. Let me see if I can find some type of light. Give me a minute. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it's burned, you know, pretty good. That's burnt pretty good on there. As you can see, look at that and whatnot. Let me show you another one because we had barbecue. I barbecued some ribs in my brazier as well. Now, another thing is the outside. I don't know if this is going to pick up, but some of that, those different stains and whatnot. But you see that, how that looks? Because it's enameled cast iron, it is very easy to clean up. You know, just as easy as your stainless steel or your non-stick different things, or ceramic. So forgive all of the real time, but this is the real deal. So these are some of the bones from the barbecue ribs that I made in my brazier. But you see all of that stuff, and it's not, you know, like super easy to clean, but I want to show you how I do clean mine. And I'm going to get rid of everything that's inside of the vessels, and then I'll get my water started, and then I'll show you, you know, me starting it up. But this is all I'm going to use. I use baking soda. I don't never use like a cleanser. I know some people probably use cleanser and like Barkeeper's Friend, Bon Ami, or it's another one. But I haven't used those in these at all. And I use one of these green scrubbers, a nylon scrubber. You shouldn't use anything that's more abrasive than this. And then the dishwashing liquid that I'll be using today is my Lemon Shine. I love this. This smells so good and works so good. So I love this very, very much. And I may or may not be using my gloves, because I really am going to, if I don't use them, I know I'm going to be sorry, because that kind of stuff really cooks up your nails and messes them up really good. And I don't do professional nails or anything like that, but still, I don't want my nails all grubby and it takes a while to get rid of that. So I bought this to try with it, but I'm going to try it and let's see what happens. So give me a minute and let me put this together. Okay, and today is, and right at this time is probably not even a good time for me to be doing this because I am so tired. I mean, not tired, but plus we just left IHOP. Not that I overate or anything. I had chicken and waffles, and I had a couple of waters, and I also had this, but I wasn't hungry in the first place, but I had their French toast hot chocolate. That was so delightful. I was like, wow, this is really good. But nonetheless, so what case in point, and this is not going to show up, but I wanted to show you that the rust that's around here, because this has rust on it, but you probably won't be able to see it, of course, with my terrible lighting. But let me see if I can touch it. And but anyway, that's I forget that finger, but that's rust on there around that rim. So I want to show us, yeah, you probably can't see that, but that's that rust that happens when these are not seasoned well. So let me get everything ready and I will be back. Oh yeah, so I was saying, but I hadn't rested well. So that if I say anything off, just forgive me. Please forgive me. I was supposed to come back and show you, is this on? Show you guys me washing it, but I got carried away. But I'm not done washing it, but as you can see, it's clean. You know, I mean, those stains came out really good, and I got this side done as well. And so this is the one with the barbecue in it. I'm not done. Now I'm soaking the other one because those stains, that popcorn seems to have stained it really well. But so yeah, that's basically all I do. Is, you know, it's gonna take some elbow grease depending on what's the stain, and plus when you want to get your enamel clean, you got to kind of get yourself in there really good and get this done. But let me show you the other one. It's got hot water in it right now, actually, so it's I probably can't show you because I'm soaking it, but you can see the top, how the top is. Oh, that smells, oh my goodness, that smells so good. That dish detergent smells so good. But yeah, so I got that all cleaned out, and I just need to soak them, and then I'm going to rinse them. This, let me see, yeah, so this is the one with the popcorn in it. You can see all of that came out. I'm just got a few, it's kind of stained, so I got it soaking, so prayerfully that stain is going to come out.